My page, guys. My name is Rebecca Jones. I don't know how you found me. Maybe you found me on TikTok. Maybe it was Facebook. Maybe it was IG. You're here on YouTube now, and I want to just welcome you to my page. First things first, if you are looking for business coaching, just free tips and everything, I want you to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be adding a lot of content just to help you to get your mind right, to help you to understand that it's more than just starting a business. You have to have the right mentality. You have to change your mindset, but also some strategies and tips on how you can actually start making money right now. So if you want that, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. So let's get right into it, guys. You're here because you want to learn how to monetize on TikTok. Now, you probably watched a lot of videos that show you how to do that, and I can tell you flat out, the way that most people go about this is through brand deals. What is a brand deal? A brand deal is basically you create a large following on TikTok, and because of that, TikTok recognizes you have a lot of engagement, and a lot of companies will actually pay you to market their products and services on your page. So we're talking about, it could be a major company like, for example, Coca-Cola, but it could be a smaller company. Just depending on what they're trying to accomplish, and they actually pay you for it. Now, brand deals are great if that's your goal, but the average individual is not looking for a brand deal. I've been an entrepreneur now for a very long time, and I have zero desire to do brand deals. My whole goal is to actually put a product that I want and actually become my own, give my own self a brand deal. So how do you do that? You actually want to do one of two things. Number one, you want to either partner with a company that has a great product or service and become like a brand ambassador with that company, or create your own product and brand yourself. Those are the two very best ways to go about doing it. Okay? And now, the first way, let's talk about partnering with a company. There's two really great ways to go about that. The first way that I love, I'm a super fan of, and it's because I've been successful doing it already, is network marketing. Network marketing is where you partner with a company that already has a product or service that's already been tested and it works, and you actually use TikTok to attract your tribe. Use TikTok to attract customers, and you also use TikTok to attract potential business partners who also want to build a business, who also want to be entrepreneurs, and then you kind of show them how to do the same thing. And in doing so, you develop your leadership skills. You actually can create a residual income. You can also create long-term income. You're building an organization. It gets to a point where if you build the team the right way, you follow your leadership, you follow your training, you plug into the system, that in the next 5 years, you're doing less videos, but you're making more money because you built a team. A lot of people are not fans of network marketing. I'm going to have people who are going to watch this video going to be trolling, saying, don't say that, network marketing is the worst way, and so forth. But it's been successful for me. It's also been successful for a lot of my business partners, my friends. I know people who are in their 20s making 7 figures because of this industry. So I can just tell you it works, but you got to put in the work. It's not something that's easy. Nothing worth having is, but network marketing is a great way to go about doing it. All right, that's number one way. Number two, affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people go into affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing allows you to kind of have a similar platform. You still partner with a company, but this time all you're doing is you're using their affiliate link, and you're really just driving traffic to the link. So there's not a whole lot, there's no team building, there's no really interaction with anybody. You're literally just driving people to the link, and the link, if it's done correctly, is supposed to do all the selling. Now, the thing about that is you have to find the right program, because some affiliate programs pay more than others. You also want to find a high converting product. It's a lot of research, right? Developing the right products and finding out the right products and developing the right systems. Affiliate marketing is an incredible way to make an income. It depends on your level of commitment. Like anything else, the more time you put into becoming a professional at it, the more time you learn the skills to be successful, the more income you're going to make. None of these options are get-rich-quick schemes. None of these options are going to make you a millionaire in 5 days or 10 days or a week or 2 months or even a year potentially. You got to build it up. But if you leverage social media, and particularly today we're talking about TikTok, if you leverage it the right way, it can build you a very significant income. Both options. All right, so we talked about network marketing and we talked about affiliate marketing. The third option is digital marketing. Now, digital marketing, it sounds about the same. You're still marketing the product, but the difference is that you created the product and now you're utilizing social media to sell that product. Some of the products that you can create are ebooks, right? You can create an ebook. I made a TikTok a while ago showing you how to make an ebook. Very simple, just using Canva, right? You can probably see it on my shorts. Maybe I'll upload it on here. We'll see. Another thing you can do is you can create a long form book. So ebook is usually a shorter book, maybe 10 pages. So you can create an actual, 30, 40, 50, or 100 page or a bigger book, right? That's a little more depth, and you can sell that as a product, okay? It's a little more detailed, but you can do that as well. You can create a coaching program, right? I tell people all the time, there's skills that you have that you didn't know you have that you can actually package into a coaching program and actually sell to people. So what do I mean by that? Let's say you are a piano player. You play piano, and there's people out here that want to learn how to play piano, or maybe there's people out here that play piano but they're not as good, and you want to help them become better. Well, you can create a coaching program where you actually do a Zoom or a phone call, and you actually are giving them tips and tricks or lessons, if you're doing through Zoom, to help them become better at it. Maybe you can help them learn faster. Maybe you have a way for they can play a song. Maybe they want to look cool at a party, they want to play a song. You can show them how to play the song in a faster way. Maybe you can, whatever your gift is. Some people are good at, maybe you want to be a comedian coach. You want to teach people how to be comedians. Maybe you want to teach people how to be better students. Maybe you want to teach people how to be better teachers. Maybe you want to teach people how to lose weight, right? Maybe you have maybe you're a master at intermittent fasting, and you know you can help someone to get through over a hump in a faster time. Whatever it is you're training and coaching people on, there's gifts that you have that you didn't even know you had that you could actually charge people to help them with. So I know a lot of times the biggest thing holding you back from doing this is your self-doubt. You don't believe that you're smart enough. You don't believe you're good enough, and you don't want to charge people. Or you're going to charge, and you can charge whatever you want, right? Some people might just start off charging a small amount, like maybe $50 for coaching, right? $50 per hour. If you get 10 calls per day, and you're charging $50 per hour, first of all, $50 per hour, very few people are making that per hour. So if you can find something that you're good at and charge $50 per hour and set up 5 or 10 calls a day, you're making more than the average individual. Does that make sense? So don't feel like you can't do it. If you start really being confident, you can charge even more. I know people charging $200 per call. I know people charging $500 per call. It just depends on the value that you're providing. The key is to make sure that you're adding value to someone's life, and at the end of that call, they're better. They should feel like you over-delivered at the end of that call. Now, you can't guarantee certain stuff depending on your offer, but you can guarantee that after that call, that they're going to feel more clarity or they're going to get certain results. Whatever your guarantee is, make sure the guarantee is actually ethical and realistic. Okay? In other words, you can't say after this call you'll be able to make $1 million in the next 7 days. You'll be able to play Mozart. You get what I'm saying? Make sure it's a real guarantee and that it's a real value, but don't lie. Okay? And I guarantee if you do this the right way, you will have a bunch of clients. I'll give you an example. I coach people on how to identify their self-defeating habits, turn their failures into success, and scale their business on social media. How to start a business and start making money. Whether you decide to go into purchasing or partnering with a company like affiliate marketing or network marketing, or if you want to create a product, I show you how to create that product, how to identify what that product is for you, and how to start selling that product. After the call, you'll know how to sell the product. You'll know how to create the product. You will know what you're going to do, and you'll be in a position to make money. That's what I do with my coaching program. If you want information about that coaching program, you can actually hit the link in the description, and it'll direct you on how to book me. But that's an example of what I'm talking about. I also have a book. Same thing. If you go to the link, you'll see the book, How to Turn Your Failures into a 6-Figure Home-Based Business, 10 Steps to Overcoming Your Self-Defeating Habits. So some people say, I don't want to do the coaching right now, but I would love to read the book. And what happens is after they read the book, they realize that they want coaching. Some do, some don't. That's why having a book is also a good positive as well. As you grow this thing, you might decide that you want to actually put together a course. Now, there's a lot of videos that show you how to make a course. I'm not going to be the one to make a video. You say, well, Rebecca, you're showing me how to do this. Why wouldn't you show me how to make the course? Because I want to make sure that my videos, I want you to come to my page. I want you to get instant activity. I want you to get instant answers. I want you to get instant information that you can apply right now, right? There's a million different ways to actually create a course. A simple way to do it, just real quickly, is you could actually create a Facebook group, right? And you can create videos in the group. And there's a way you can select modules in Facebook. You can just create modules in Facebook and then charge people to add them to the group. That's just one way you can go about doing it. It's a very simple way to do it. But you could also, if you want to be more sophisticated, you can actually purchase different programs. I think Teachable is one. There's a lot of different ones out there, and you can create an actual course. But I would suggest before you want to create a course that you first start with an ebook, right? Because that's a small amount of information they can purchase, digest. You feel more confident. Then I'm gonna go from that to coaching calls, right? And then again, you're still crafting yourself as a professional. You're able to get some testimonials. You're able to help people to get results. right? You have people that are willing to say, yeah. Then you can take everything you've done and you can create a course. And what happens? That course is already, there's already proof of concept. People have read the book, they're happy. People have received coaching calls, they've gotten results. So now you can take everything you put into these coaching calls and you can create a course, and now you can sell that course. What does a course allows you to do is it allows you to be omnipresent, because now people can purchase the course and you can still get a commission or your profit, and they're still getting value, if that makes sense. So these are just the very best ways you can do it. Now here's the deal. This is something that you have to grow. The biggest challenge people have is that they open up a TikTok and they just want to instantly start hitting people with sales. Well, that's not how it works. In the very beginning, the first 1,000 followers, because you can't even put a link in your bio until you get to 1,000 followers on TikTok. So that first 1,000 followers is all about value. Depending on what your niche is, you want to go value. You have to identify what your niche is, and then you want to add value in that niche. So it could be, depending on what you love, it could be tips. It could be real life tips. Here's the thing. A lot of people are afraid to share value on their page because they really think they should charge for it. But what they don't realize is that you can tell somebody exactly how to do something, exactly how to do it, and they still need your help. They still want coaching. They still need coaching, because the actual activity is not necessarily what's going to get you to success. It's the belief, it's the coaching, it's the pushing, it's the mentoring, that's what's going to help you to get to success, right? People know how to lose weight. It's very simple, but yet we still pay for coaches. We still pay for work. People know how to work out, but we still pay for coaches. People know how to do a lot of things that we pay for coaches for, because we know that we're lazy, that we have inconsistencies, bad habits, negative thinking, a bad surrounding environment, and so we still need extra. We still need coaching. We still need courses. We still need books, right? So don't feel afraid to add massive value onto your social media or your TikToks, because if you do that, you're going to attract more people who are going to love what you're doing. They're going to follow you because they want to be your friend. They want that information. Eventually, you're going to build that relationship, that tribe, and people are going to start to decide how they want to do business with you. The key is that you have to choose a lane, and then you got to commit to that and stick with it. Now, you can change it up maybe after a year or two if you decide to pivot, but in the first year, you got to really be consistent. For sure, the first 6 months, be consistent on what you're doing, because the more consistent you are, the more trust you're going to build, the deeper relationships you're going to have, and the more people are going to want to do business with you. So, guys, I know it was a lot of information, but I like to shoot it. I'm not the very best in technical and all that stuff. I'm here to give you the straight information that you can apply and make you want to be an entrepreneur, because you absolutely have the ability to do so. I remember when I first decided I wanted to become an entrepreneur, and it was so overwhelming. I tried everything from real estate and to tax lien sales to network marketing, which I was actually successful in. And I mean, I loved entrepreneurship, but I realized that my absolute calling is coaching and helping people to get from point A to point B. Most importantly, to help people get from disbelief to full belief in themselves and their ability. And I want to help you do the same thing. So if that's something that you're interested in doing, and you want to learn more about how I can coach you to accomplish your goal, it doesn't matter what industry you're in, I can coach you and help you to get the mind right and be consistent. I'm right now doing a pilot program for my coaching program, so it's a heavily discounted right now. Okay, it's gonna go up. I'm gonna tell you right now. Once I get more testimonials and I really build this thing to the scale that I'm trying to get to, it's gonna definitely probably be about 10 times higher than it is right now. But if you want to be one of those few people in the very beginning, I'm gonna be doing a testing or kind of a beta program for the first 50 to 100 people. If you want to be a part of that program and you want to actually go through it, as I develop this, the link is in the bio to actually set up your call. Everything is included. If you just want to actually learn more about me, you can follow me on TikTok, or you can read my book. Again, it was a bestseller on Amazon. It shows you how to actually create a 6-figure business from home, turning your failures into success and overcoming your self-defeating habits. So that being said, guys, subscribe. I will be dropping more value. And also, if you can, in the comments, this is what I need from you. I want you to drop in the comments, what do you want from me? What information do you need from me? What questions do you have? What kind of videos do you want me to make? All this will help me to develop this page to really cater to your needs, not me thinking that I know what you want, but you telling me what you want and me delivering it to you in this channel. So I hope that I want to be your coach right now. I want to start coaching, even if you never decide to get a coaching program, you never buy the book, you never by course, I want you to just be a follower and get great information and look forward to getting information because the information is coming from you. So in the comments below, if you could just put what you want from me, what kind of videos you want me to make, I will absolutely do my best. And if it's not in my niche, if it's not something I can do, then I won't. Obviously, I won't do it. But if it's something that I can do that I think will be adding value to your life, I want to do it for you. So God bless, be great. Again, subscribe to the channel, comment what you want below, and also if you can comment what your biggest takeaway was from this video, that would be great as well. God bless, be great. I'll see you on the next video.